Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a simple yet important maintenance task, replacing your BMW X3's cabin air filter. This guide will help you improve your vehicle's air quality and ensure your climate control system runs efficiently. You will need a new filter, a Torx T20 screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Always work on a level surface with the engine completely off for your safety. To begin, open the passenger door and look into the footwell area. You will see a plastic kick panel there. There are typically two plastic tabs. Turn these 90 degrees counterclockwise to unlock them. Once unlocked, carefully pull the panel downwards to reveal the cabin air filter housing. You might also need to disconnect a small light wire for better access. Now, use your Torx T20 screwdriver to remove the two silver screws holding the filter housing cover in place. Next, release the two plastic clips on the housing, allowing the cover to pivot open and out of your way. Gently pull out the old, dirty filter, carefully observing the airflow arrow's direction. Install your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points correctly. With the new filter securely in place, reattach the housing cover and secure it with the two Torx T20 screws. Reconnect any electrical connectors you detached, then push the footwell kick panel back into its original position. Turn the two plastic tabs clockwise to lock it securely. You have successfully replaced your cabin air filter, ensuring cleaner air and optimal performance from your vehicle's climate control system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.